Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing up a birthday card for my wonderful husband. So I was just about ready to cut it out that I thought, wait a minute, you guys might want to see kind of what I did, because this is a different card. I've never made one like this before. So the front of the card is where it says the happy birthday. I am doing that out of vinyl for the happy birthday, so I've welded everything together so I don't get any strange cuts in there. Sized it how I want it. The blue is going to be regular 65-pound cardstock, and then the cake I'm going to convert into a shaker card. So I found I'm going to use a nice printed paper for the red section. The green section is going to be the acetate, and then the yellow section will be what goes over the acetate, and that will be another patterned. The inside of the card is what's unique. I actually have this, so these are like coupons that you can tear off. So if you look closely, it says a holder of this ticket is entitled to one free birthday kiss. And then birthday massage, birthday hug, birthday cuddle, birthday dinner, and then you get to choose. You could probably figure out what that one would most likely be. So I'll show you quickly here how I set this up. So the card itself, if it will let me click, there we go, is showing at 10 point, just over 10, but that's one of the cut lines is a bit longer. So it's 10 across and 6.75 in height. So let's make a shape that size, a square. So we'll unlock it, 10 across, 6.25, and I just wanted to make it a little smaller than the card, as you can see there. So, oh, I gotta go 6.75. Thought that looked a little weird. Okay, perfect. So let's change the color of this to a lighter color so you can see all the lines. So first thing I did is I brought in a score line, changed the height to 6.75. You'll want to center that, so highlight both, align, center. I'm going to duplicate the score line twice because I need the same height. And I just eyeballed this, but I placed them on either side, and depending on how large you want your ticket to be. And then while it's still highlighted, go up to operation and go from score to perforate. You will need, as far as I know, the perforate blade to do this cut. I do have one. So I'm going to do the same to that. Gonna go back, get another score line, flip it 90 degrees. No, not height. Rotate 90 degrees. And place it where you want. And again, it will depend on how many cutouts you're gonna do. But get the width. And again, I'm just eyeballing this. Switch it to perforate. And then duplicate as many as you need. And then I just went into my fonts, chose one, got it sized to what I wanted, and then I used a different font for whatever the redemption would be. And I'm going to use different color pens. But once it's all on there, you could attach each one separately, but it's just easier once you have everything placed, highlight all of it, just like that, and click attach. So I'm gonna get all my stuff cut out and we'll get this card put together. So we got everything cut out. I've gone with a bluish, and this is more of a light green, and this is kind of a bluish and a greenish kind of color. And then I've got some silver. For the shaker part, I've got bluey green and silver as well. You can see here at the bottom the print for the cake. It's a white with the little confettis on it, and then I went with a glitter paper for the tops of the candles. So let's get this put together. So I'm gonna start with the cake and adding the flames on there. I'm just going to dab some glue. This is a pretty thin decorative paper, so I shouldn't need a whole whack of glue on them. I'm just gonna put a blob on each one, then use my reverse tweezers. Okay, the next part is the beads, and you can see I've got scissors and my Cricut ruler on top, and I'm just checking to see, so they might roll, so I might need something heavier there. Let me hunt down just to kind of hold it down. Okay. Got my bounce sheet. I'm doing silver and blue, then opposite silver and blue. Okay, one part left. So there's the front done. Happy birthday. Got a nice shake to it. Now for the inside, where's my folder? Somehow I got some marks on the paper there. I'm not sure why. My husband is an understanding man, so he'll be okay with those marks. So they happened after, and I couldn't hunt down an eraser in the house. You would think I'd have an eraser, but didn't find it. So to attach that part, I'm just going to use the tape gun. Doing a line on either side of the fold. Try to get this front ways up. And then I can line this up. So there we go. Got a birthday card. Opens up. 6 sections you can pop off, and then I'm going to write something on the inside. And my next video, I'll actually show you how to write with your Cricut pens on an envelope, because I have seen a lot of people asking about that online. So I will do a video for it. But I'll give you a better view of this guy. I think it turned out fantastic. I'm very happy with it. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.